There are so many reasons why birds rock. They come in all different shapes and sizes, they're a vital part of the ecosystem, and it's really special when they come and visit you. So here's a top tip. When going into the garden to look for birds, moving around all over the place like you're on a giant bird treasure hunt can scare off the birds that you're looking for. The secret to seeing lots of birds and other life in your garden is to find one spot and stay there. Sit down very quietly and listen intently. Watch one area of your garden just like you would a TV screen, and you'll be amazed by all of the things that come into your view. So why not give it a go? Happy bird spotting, everyone.
My backyard. Hello. My favourite bird is the blue wren because of its beautiful blue feathers.
This is the chook pen. And the girl that I'm holding here, she's a bantam, and her name is Twinkleheart.
I love my garden because all the birds get to come and visit me from the rainforest. Except this one, because it's my budget. I like magpie lark because they're really funny. They pet the window and they're really territorial. They're like, hey, get away from my friends.
I have 4 chickens, Twinkleheart, Elsa, Uni, and Midnight. I love them so much and I love coming out here and snuggling with them.
I love nature because there's lots and lots of bugs and birds all around us and they are really beautiful.
Favorite bird is a red-tailed black cockatoo because the feathers look like the sunset.
I love him so much. He's definitely one of my most favourite chickens out of the flock.
Junior Gardeners.
Hi, I'm Alex, and in my garden, I love watching birds. I have cerebral palsy, and I choose to communicate in lots of different ways, including with my speech device, which is how I'm talking to you now. My favorite bird visitor is the blue-faced honeyeater. I can tell it's arrived when I hear its soft chirp every morning. It's very shy, so you have to be really quiet if you want to get close to it. I love how it hangs upside down on the vines. It's really funny. We also have a kookaburra that visits us. I love listening to its laughter. And it loves watching me and Riley. If you love birds, try hanging out in the garden or your favorite outdoor space. You never know what magical friends you might meet. Thanks for visiting my garden and my favorite birds. Bye.